السلام عليكم طلاب الصف الخامس. Good evening everybody. Today we are going to talk about two groups of numbers. So all numbers we know can be sorted into two groups. The first group is prime numbers. وهي نسميها الأعداد الأولية. أعداد أولية. And the second group is composite number. Composite numbers. ونسميها الأعداد المركبة. We will talk about each group separately inshallah. So all numbers can be separated or sorted into two groups. The first group is prime numbers, الأعداد الأولية. The second group is composite numbers, الأعداد المركبة. Let us start with prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are the number that has only two factors, one and itself. I will give you example. For example, number 2. 2 is a prime number. Why it is a prime number? Because I cannot write it as a product of many factors. It has only two factors. I can write a multiplying sentence 1 times 2 equal 2. So I can write it as a product of itself and 1. أقدر أكتبه بعملية ضرب فقط باستخدام رقمين، هو نفسه 2 والعدد 1. So I call it prime numbers. Let us take another example. Number 3. What factors I can use as a product to find 3 or to make 3? Only 1 times 3. There is no other factors. So it is a prime number. So what's the prime number? It has only two factors to make the number, 1 and itself. You can write it as a product of itself and 1 only. So you can use the same number and 1 only. Another number 5. There are no two factors to make 5 except 1 times 5. So 5 is a prime factor. I will give you another example. 6. I can make 6 of two factors. I can say 1 times 6 equals 6. But see, I can say 2 times 3 equals 6. So this number, it is not a prime factor. 5 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, 2 is a prime factor. But 6, no, it is not. Because see, it has itself and 1, but it has two factors that can make 6. So it is not a prime factor. It is composite number. I will show you these ones. Okay, let us delete here. Now let us talk about composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers هي الأعداد المركبة. You can write it as a product of two factors, more than 1 and itself. I will give you examples. For example, 4. What are the factors I can multiply to make 4? I can say 1 times 4. I can say 2 times 2. So is this a prime number? No, it is composite number because you can write it as a product of two factors other than 1 and itself. Let us take another example. 6. 6. What are the factors by which you multiply to get 6? We can say 1 times 6. We can say 2 times 3 equals 6. See, so it is composite number، عدد مركب، لأنه أقدر أعمل جمل ضرب أكثر من واحدة لصنع هذا الرقم غير الواحد والرقم نفسه. See؟ هنا في مجموعة أخرى من العوامل لصنع الرقم 6. Let us try 8. What are the factors other than 1 and 8 to make 8؟ ما بدي 1 و8، أريد أرقام أخرى. 2 times 4 and I can use 1 times 8. See? So this is a composite number، عدد مركب، يعني أقدر أصنعه بأكثر من طريقة بعوامل مختلفة. Let us try 15 or 12. 12 it has many factors. 12 I can say 2 times 6. I can say 3 times 4. I can say 1 times 12. So this number is a composite number. Now let us try some numbers and we will sort them out into the table. Prime numbers and composite numbers. I will show you. Let us choose 1, 3, 10, 7, 8, 2, 15. So what do you think of number 1? It is a prime number or composite number? For sure, it is composite number, prime number, sorry. Why? Because you have only 1 times 1. No other factors to make 1. How about 3? 3 is a prime number as well. You know why? Because you has only 1 times 3. Can you find other factors to multiply them and get number 3? No, only 1 and itself. How about number 10? Number 10, it's a composite number. Why? Because we have 2 times 5. We have 1 times 10. See, we can make more than a sentence of factors to make 10. So it is a composite number. How about 7? 7 is only prime number because it has only 1 times 7. 8. 8 is a composite number. You know why? Because we have 1 times 8, 2 times 4. إذا عدد مركب لأنه أقدر أصنعه بأكثر من عدد غير الواحد والعدد نفسه. How about 2? 2 is a prime number. 15. 15 is a composite number. Why? Let us try. What factors you multiply them to get 15? We can say 1 times 15. We can say another one, another sentence or another product. 3 times 5 equal 15. Now what I want you to do, to think of 3 prime numbers, 3 composite numbers and send it to me. Okay, so see you tomorrow with a new skill inshallah in math.